Square win. Diba? Kasi paano ka makaka-move on nun kung di ba when I met you, di ba nga, paano ka naka-move on sa ex mo? Emmy. Kilala mo nga pala, kapatid dyan, si ano. Superman Jigs, thank you. Yun na, congratulations sa pagkapanalo, Superman Jigs. King of Pride. King of Pride. Good morning. When I met you, birthday ngayon ni Ninong Ben. Batiin mo naman si Ninong Ben. Ninong Ben. Superman Jigs, teens. Pero alam nyo, hindi ko kaya yung hindi ko kaya yung gano'n. Kaya naman pala siguro. Wala pala. Ma-overshare ako, huy. Ano daw? Hindi naman kailangan i-block at i-unfollow. May mga options naman na pwedeng gawin. Whistler. Superman Jigs, ang manalo ka pa. Butterfly, thank you. Congrats sa kanya at sa'yo. Ano yun? When I met you? Nakikinig ka ba love songs after breakup? Breakup songs? Bakit love songs? Yung mga malulungkot. Ate siya. Masarap yan ni emote eh. Wag naman yung super love songs, ate siya. Baka kiligin ka ulit yan. Labanan mo naman yung ganung feeling. Huwag mo i-trigger ulit na kiligin ka. Hirapan ka nun. Yung mapanakit dapat. Kaya nga na-invento yung mga mapanakit na kanta para pamukha sa'yo lalo, di ba? Tita Malifay. Yes. Ang kit ni Aileen. Aileen, apektuhan ka ba sa nangyari, Aileen? Parang hindi. Si Aileen lang hindi na-apektuhan. Pangsi, thank you. Ninong Ben, thank you. Sigaw pa more. Di ba, Nix? Si Nix nasa labas yata. Si Nix niya. Pretty Me. Uy, si Pretty Me. Pero grabe yun, no? Saan ka makakakita ng nakipaghiwalay, nakatag pa. Emmy. Ate LV. Itel, good morning, Itel. Ano yung sabi ni Hiraya? Nix, thank you, Nix. Naku, wag na magpuyat ang mga hindi pwede magpuyat tonight. Matulog na po, Pam. Friend ka lang ka. Sinong friend yan, kapatid? Ano sabi ni Hiraya? Kapag babae na ang sumuko, tama ba? Is wala na talaga? Tama ba? Chami! Pag babae na sumuko, ayaw na talaga. I think pareho lang. I think pareho lang. Kasi, mas nasa inyo yung ano eh. Mas nasa babae yung patience, di ba? Kayo yung mas mahaba ang pasensya. Kayo yung kayang umunawa ng paulit-ulit. Diba? Ano daw? Pag parang kayong makakasagot niyan talaga. Oo. Kaya nyo I believe kaya nyo magpatawad ng paulit-ulit. Pero once na naubos na yon, naubos na kayo. Ubos na talaga. Diba? Kayo talaga yung mas mahaba ang patience. Ano naman ako doon? Naniniwala ako doon. Kayo yung mas kayang magtiis. Hindi kayo na. Hindi, totoo yan. Naniniwala ako dyan. Agree naman ako, hindi naman para i-defend namin ng mga lalaki yung sarili nila kasi given na yun. Given na yun sa inyo. Meron din naman din. Oo, hindi ko naman sinasabing lahat din. Pero dun sa part na I think pare-pareho lang tayo, mapababae o lalaki, pag napagod na, pag naubos na, ayaw na talaga. Diba? #101 Lala. Ano ang reason na mabigat or masabi mo na ayaw mo na? Wow. Ako lagi ko sinasabi, naniniwala ako sa second chance. Pero, depende yun. Naniniwala rin naman ako, depende yun. Mahabang diskusyon to. Tatanggap ka pag nag-cheat. Okay. Depende sa level ng pag-cheat na ginawa. May different levels yan eh. Kumbaga parang bawat kasalanan may different levels. Di ba? When I met you. 18, di ba nga? Yes. So, dyan natin i-level yung ginawang pag-cheat. Level 1, nasa chat pa lang ba to? Nasa sulyapan pa lang ba to? Ganun. May level yan. So, yes, Lace. Huwag ka umiyak muna. 18, makaka-relate ka dito. Emmy. Hindi, basta ako naniniwala ako sa second chance. Pero depende rin talaga sa ginawang kasalanan. Sa level of difficulty. Once a cheater, always a cheater ba? Hirap. Natatawa ako, why? Kasi may mga kilala akong they're still together. Merong mag-girlfriend, mag-girlfriend-boyfriend, tapos merong mag-asawa. Okay sila, pero may mga kilala ako, hindi rin naman sila ganun ka-faithful sa mga partner nila. So, ang hirap. Hindi ko alam kung paano explain kasi they're still together, pero alam mo yun, basta. Mahirap i-generalize, yes. Cheating is a choice. Sabi ni Honey, si Honey na isang married na, may asawa na si Honey. Sabi niya, cheating is a choice. Cheating is a choice. Press 1 kung agree ang ating communisms. Press 2 kung hindi. Pag binigyan ba kayo ng dahilan na lasing ako eh. Ay, ang dami nagagalit oh. Nagagalit na po. Caps lock na po sila oh. All caps na po. Sabi ni teacher hindi totoo yan. Exclamation point. Pag may alak, may balak. Ang hirap na namang i-generalize. Yes. Yeah, tama. I believe kung nasa inuman ka, dapat, number 1, alam mo kung paano mag-control. Alam mo kung paano magtira para sa sarili mo. Para hindi matrigger o hindi tayo pumunta sa ganung point na magkakaroon ng aberya at bibigyan ka ng dahilan na lasing ako. Please naman. May mga nagagalit na po. Kwentuhan lang tayo, Pam. Kwentuhan lang tayo. Lamig ako, ha? Parang natitense. Ninong Bad, the birthday boy! Natakot ka, hindi, oh. I love that topic. Bangzi! Lalim na iniisip ko. And if anybody want come for you. Girl, I be your fighter, girl, I be your ninja, kung fu. Teka. If you need a soldier, I can be the man if you want me to. Anyone you want, die before you. For you, I wanna make you my only baby. Nag-cheat na ba ako? Hindi pa po. Sa awa ng Diyos. Si Sopley naman, napaisip pa eh. Kahit sa exam, syempre, sige na nga. Mami Janice, good morning! Mami Janice, nabati mo na ba si Ninong Ben? Ang mahirap lang din kasi sa mga ganyan, minsan nangyayari yan sa panahong hindi talaga kayo okay dalawa. So, parang dun na yun yung nagiging excuse ng isa. Madalas yan nangyayari galing kayo sa away, wala kayong usap, 'di ba? Ano meaning sa inyo ng cool off, fam? Sige nga, patingnan ng mga side nyo. Cool off is kayo pa rin but need time and space. Kayo pero may space. Ilang space yan, Pangs? Di ako naniniwala sa cool off. Sabi naman ni Jojo. Walang pansinan muna. Sinong gumawa na sa inyan, Pangs? Atilan, uso pa rin. Diyan nga nagkaka-disgrasyahan. Pero actually, yes. Medyo agree ako kila Jojo and Kiko. Ako, if you need space, parang better for me, mag-usap kayo na maghiwalay muna kayo. Lalo na kung sunod-sunod na yung series ng away, sunod-sunod na yung series na ilang araw nang walang pansinan, ilang araw nang walang updates. Para sa akin, cool off ay para sa mga sigurista lang. X-Fam! One things! Thank you so much. Diba? Pangs, thank you. Thank you, fam. Thank you, thank you. Ninong Ben! Naalala ko si Justin tuloy. Nabitin na naman tuloy ako sa party natin. Nabitin din yung singer natin. Thank you, fam. Thank you, thank you. Judet, Ninong Ben, My Destiny, thank you so much. Dual Things, my X fam, thank you. Soflay, My Destiny, Judet, Eileen, Atilan. Lahat naman bitin. Kaya nga magkakaroon tayo ng outing sa January. Autumn, Butterfly, Ate She. Yes. Magpapasurvey tayo. Magpapasurvey kami sa inyo kung saan nyo gusto. Option 1 is Balesing. Option 2 is Amanpulo. So, Alam ko, may mga sinagutan kayong quiz lately. So, alam ko nga, ready kayo magsagot ng mga questionnaire. Ate Lan, uwi na. Uwi na. Jenny, gising ka pa. Okay. Sabi ko naman kahit saan nila abutin. Ricky! MOBs! Katapan pa nga, Bam! Thank you, thank you. Hindi pa tayo gumaganto. Thank you, fam. Okay. Mag-enjoy tayo sa kwentuhan natin. Fire Princess! Thank you. 122. Hello po.
You were looking at me like you wanted to stay. When I saw you yesterday, I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing no games.
Jun, sorry. Oh, sorry. Oo nga pala. Sorry. Jun nga pala. Fire Princess yung username mo. Okay lang yun. Diba? Ayaw mo ba ng Fire Princess?
Maybe it's not forever.
Pero, ito, pinaka naniniwala ko, wala yan sa tagal talaga ng relationship. Wala talaga yan. Nasaan daw? Nasa bilis? Hindi, basta wala yan sa tagal ng relationship. Kasi, di ba, lagi nila sinasabi, mas kilalanin mo pa, mas, di ba, may mga ganun-ganun pa. Hindi ako naniniwala doon.
No one but you got me feeling this way.
Ano talaga yan?
There's so much we can't
Sugal talaga. Susugal ka talaga.
Maybe we're helping each other escape. I'm with you. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold?
Wala talagang assurance.
We don't really need to know. 'Cause you're here with me now, I don't want you to go. You're here with me now, I don't want you to go.
Yes, walang masama doon, Hiraya. Para sa akin ha.
Maybe it's not forever. Maybe it'll never change.
Yes, sa panahon ngayon, marami na actually ganyan eh. Kasi, hindi rin naman ako, sorry correct me if I'm wrong. Ako lang naman to. Parang hindi rin ako sang-ayon na parang nagmamadali kayo ikasal dalawa. Para lang may patunayan kayo sa pagmamahal nyo. Parang ganun. Kasi nga, para sa akin, hindi din nakukuha sa marriage. Eh. Kasi, di ba, maraming unsuccessful marriage naman. So, hindi rin ako naniniwala na kailangan ikasal muna kayo. Kasi, fam, ang daming hirap na nakasal na tapos hiwalay. Yung iba na problema sa budget para sa annulment. Hindi hindi assurance na kapag may papel na kayo, hindi na kayo maghihiwalay. To be young and in love and... Hindi, joke lang. May boses pala. Pinali, bakit? Okay lang yan, Hiraya. Walang masama. Ilang years na ba kayo? Ilang years na ba? In-assume. Okay lang yan as long as pinagluluto ka niya, may na-massage paggabi, yan. Mahal ka o ikaw ang mas nagmamahal? Parang nasagot ko na to na paulit-ulit. Ako yung mas nagmamahal. Kaya dapat nang magpapakasal. Ano naman yan, Kiko? Kanino ka naman ikakasal? Pakilala mo naman sa amin yan. Nandito ba yan sa stream? O nasa Singapore? Eme! Nako. Nagkaka-name dropa naman. Wala naman name dropa. Ito naman si Coco eh. Coco. Ano lang tayo? Kwentuhan lang tayo about love. General. In general. Lay here with me. What if kung yung girl yung mas mahal ka? Wala namang problema. Pinapili lang ako eh. Kung lang, di ba? Kung baga nga, kung papipiliin ako at kung gugustuhin ko nga. Eh kung may darating naman na mahal ako, edi, sige na nga. At arte pa. Kayo ba, may darating mahal na mahal kayo, sasabihin nyo bang, ay, not now. Diba, hindi rin naman. Basta hindi nyo malalaman yan kung kailan darating. Pag dumating, yari ka. Diba, Ekis fam? Mm-mm. How much you wanna risk? How much you wanna risk? How much, fam? Anong gusto mo? Clingy ka or clingy siya? Clingy ako. Chururum, chururum. Chururum, chururum. Chururum, chururum. Tsururum, tsururum. Siguro parang kaakibat no, kaya doon sa mga taong ang gusto nila mas mahal niya, mas mahal niya kasi siya, kami, siguro yung mga taong mas gusto namin, mas kami yung nati-challenge. Parang ganun. Kanya-kanya ano naman yun. Magkakaiba naman tayo ng magkakaiba tayo ng kagustuhan ng mga Queen user 1668. How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some super strict ba ako? Di naman. Lahat naman tayo, Helen, yan ang dream natin. Pagdating sa mga love life natin, di ba? Conservative. Hindi. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi. Wag lang naman todo-todo. $110. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Fam, thank you sa mga gising pa, sa mga kasama ko dyan sa baba. Thank you. Sa mga bago po sa stream ko, hello po. Welcome to my stream and Merry Christmas na fam. Merry Christmas to all of us. December na, 23 days before Christmas. Hindi naman, Helen. Hindi naman. Mabilis na yan, yes. Ending 2023 with a bang. Pag may kasunod pa, fam, kakayanin nyo pa kaya? Parang grabe na yung bang. Yung bang na yun. Pag nagkaroon pa, puyat na tayo bago magbagong taon. Di ba, Chevy? Next year naman. Gusto mo may opening with the bang, Jojo? Ayaw mong sagarin na bago matapos yung taon para kalmado na tayo pagpasok ng bagong taon, diba? Pangsi, thank you. Ala, doesn't matter where you are. Ay, hindi ko alam kung kamusta sila. Maano din ba kayo? Mas sad din ba kayo? I think mas iba yung hit ng yung masaya naman na din. Masaya naman yung post ko kanina, Jojo. Pampakalma nga yun eh. Alam ko marami ang puyat eh. Di ba, Kiko? Nothing's gonna change game at the time. Aiden, Pangs, my destiny. Narinig niyo yung digay ko. Thank you, fam. Congrats to us, thank you.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life, true, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us. Like a guiding star, with you I see forever oh so clearly. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life, true, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Thank you, fam. Thank you. Judith, my destiny.
I know.
Thank you. My babe, Hiraya. Thank you, fam. Share big.
Holding on to my chest. Maybe you left your mark, reminding me to forget. It doesn't matter where you are, you can keep my regret. Baby, I got these scars, reminding me to forget. You left your remember, I told you to save it, it's over, and I'll be alright. So hurt me as much as you like, I need you to let go. Got things we're meant to, but I'll be alright. Baby, it hits so hard, holding on to my chest. Baby, you left your mark, reminding me to forget. It doesn't matter where you are, you can keep my regret. Baby, I got these scars, reminding me to forget.
Hello. May, thank you, May. Ito pala, fam, question. Press 1 sa mga feeling nyo may chance magkabalikan in the future. Press 2 kung wala na talaga.
I don't know, it's just something about you. Got me feeling like I can't be without you.
Yeah, tama rin naman. Nothing is impossible. Ako, kung third party dahilan, Sa 2 ako. Wala namang confirmation, di naman natin alam. Pero kung third party ang dahilan, lalo na kung nangyari ng ilang beses, sa 2 ako. Kasi ramdam ko na sobrang faithful ng babae. Yung values niya when it comes to loyalty, parang standard talaga. You know, it's the standard. For me, loyalty is being contented. I love you.
Dancing in the mirror, singing in the shower.
So, kung mapapatunayan natin na may third party involved at paulit-ulit, doon ako sa 2. Yes. The level of faithfulness is the standard. For me, loyalty is being contented. It's contentment. Ako, pretty me. Eme! Baka naka-yellow ngayon. Uy! Gising na gising tayo! Tulog na! Uy! Gisingin niyo ako! Nananaginip tayo ng gising. Oh, tawan-tawa naman yung brother natin. Malay nyo naman. Eme! Uy, nakakahiya. Kami nagre-reto. Wala naman nag-name drop. Uy. Kanta tayo ng Himala. Himala! Isang himala. Kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit na himala? Huwag niyo ipakanta. Tatawa lang ako ng tatawa. Ate Malin, kamusta ka naman? Pangarap ko'y makita ka naglalaro sa buwan. Inalay mo napakaswerte ng susunod. No? Press 1. Napakaswerte mo. Uy, Helen. Mapuputo lang yung mga daliri natin kahit mag-cross fingers tayo. Huy! Itulog niyo na, Pam. Sana ako sana hindi na lang sana non-showbiz na lang. Sana. Aileen, huwag ganyan. Hindi para paasa tayo tonight. Ephraimites, 107. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po. Pam, sa mga kailangan ng matulog, lumalalim ng gabi. Magpahinga na po. Good night. Itel, ano mo ng Facebook mo? Bagay ito sa atin. Fight song. One hit wonder. Yung mga bagay na kahit gustuhin natin. Kapal na mukha. Alam ko namang mataas yung pangarap ko sa akin. What? Baba tayo konti. Konti lang. Sobrang taas, Pam. Sobrang taas, Pam. Konti lang. Alam kong you only want the best for me. What? Please, Pam. Huwag naman yung sobrang best. Sobrang best, Pam. Doon lang tayo sa mga better lang. Better. Medyo better. Huwag na naman pa to. Tama na. Bali, na-miss ka namin dito. Kapatid, lagi ka ata nagpupuyat. Pag December ba ganyan? Parang ka ngayon? Clingy ka ngayon. Oo, maganda yun. Best ka sa taong nakalaan para sa'yo. Tama. The Golden Boy! Totoo naman yan, Pangs! Grabe naman yan, Pangsy. Thank you so much. Uy, may ganyan pala, oh. Congrats to Lorelei Conti for reaching level 29. Wow, may ganun. Nice. Pangsy, thank you. May ganun pala. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. My power's turning on. Stuck in a hole, I'll be strong. I'll take my fight song. Geodet, why naman? Okay lang yan. May mga kailangan kayong unahin. Go lang. Hindi, kapatid. Patagpupuyat ka lahat lagi. Salamat naman nasasamahan mo naman kami, kapatid. Itel, add mo na kami sa sa FB. Okay lang Or sa ano na yun, 2024. Next year na lang. Next month. But I'm okay. Hey. Tell your friends it was nice to meet them. But I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down car. Cab! Si Cab ba? Sino ba si Cab? Sige, play natin yan. Queen! Sino? PM nyo. PM na lang sa akin. Golden Boy. Okay. Ito pa. Avril Lavigne. Okay. Oo nga na, naririnig ko to. So, keep holding on. Feeling ko matagal nag-hold on. Hanggang sa hindi na kinaya. Hindi. Mga next time kantayin natin. Pakinggan muna natin. There's no other way when it comes to the truth. Very cool. Press 1 kung feeling nyo isang taon ng Rocky. Isang taon ng hindi talaga okay. Ganda. Avril Lavigne. May isa pa akong gustong kanta niya. Ito. Kung alam niyo to. Alam niyo to?
Don't care at all. Do you expect me to believe I was the only one to fall? I can feel you near me, even though you're far away. I can feel you, baby. Why? It's not supposed to feel this way. I need you more and more each day. It's not supposed to hurt this way. I need you. Tell me.
Salamat, Helen.
Are you and me still together? tell me you think we could last forever.
Oh, yan.
Tell me why.
Somewhere only we know. Ano yun?
Hey,
Avril and din yan.
listen to what we're not saying.
Hindi.
Let's play a different game than what we're playing. Listen
Ian.
to what
Ian. Somewhere only we know. Ito ba? August. Ba't alam niyo to?
Okay.
Oo nga. Okay. Okay lang. Okay. Okay lang. Angzi.
So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree.
Thank you, Pangs. 104. May mga nakatulog na dyan. Sure ako. Good night, fam, sa mga matutulog na. Gav! Sino ba si Gav? Wala bang mag-PPM sa akin kung sino si Gav? Nothing's gonna stop us. Kanta tayo. Queen! Let's sing, let's sing, let's sing. Let's sing, let's sing. Para makatulog na si Justin kasi napipilitan mag-stay sa stream natin. Hey! Wow. Good evening, Araneta! Baba ng energy.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found, it's too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
let them say we're crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever
Cut.
look back.
Emmy.
Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're all too hard.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Hindi yan si Tabis. Ano to?
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take you to the good times, see you through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Let them say we're crazy. What
Ate Mal
do
and
they
Queen, thank you.
know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're all too hard.
Sing with us, fam. Let's go.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Ito, thank you. All that I need is you.
All that I ever need
Walang ba?
is hold you forever, forever and ever.
Galing ni Kat kumanta. Uy! Ay! Haze! Haze, thank you so much. Haze! Nandito na ang Kat yan. Emmy!
And we
Can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. We can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop.
Uy, tigil nyo yan.
And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop. Nawala ka na. Ay.
Uy, tigil nyo yan. Baka maano tayo dyan. May screenshot yan. Haze, thank you so much, Haze. Pangzi, thank you, fam. Uy. Stop. Pag yan, pam, nakaabot sa ano. Gina talaga ako sa as external. Ano yan, kapatid? Okay. Ano ba? Ay, wag, pam. Ay, ano lang yan? Kwentuhan lang yan. Biruan lang yan. Kapatid, kanta mo to. Summer and Day. Talaga. Chevy, nakauwi ka na ba? Ingat pag-uwi. Golden boy. Kanta ko to sa kanya.
I won't lie to you. I know he's just
Wala akong sinasabing pangalan.
for you. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop. I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me why I'll be wasting time on all your wasted crown when you should be with me instead. I know I can treat you better, better than he can. I'll stop time for you.
Hoy! Alam nyo,
Say you'd like me to.
pag may nakalabas sa plaza,
I just wanna give you the loving that you're missing.
Ano sasabihin sa atin? Ano sasabihin sa atin? Nalulo. Bakit? 1 a.m. na eh. Yung mga ganyan bagay nangyayari ng 1 a.m. Sorry na, puyat lang kami. Bawal mag-enjoy pag madaling araw. Kailangan seryoso ba pag mga 1 a.m.? Hindi pwede nagpapagising lang kami ng mga katawang lupa namin. Yan ang hindi delulo, oh. Yan. Yes naman.
Cause I know I can treat you better than he can. And any girl like you did.
Ready na ang bahay. Eme!
Tell me why are we wasting time? Why are you wasting time when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you
Uuwi ka na lang. Eme! Malawak ang parking. Kasya mga sasakyan. Hoy! Pag tayo, itong kanta natin, sorry. Masasabihan tayo, delulo. Ang kanta natin, sorry, bakit? Sorry. Ito na, sorry. Okay.
Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm nothing just your body.
Fam, Mami Janice, nandiyan ka pa. Kanina ka pa dyan. sorry. Papagising lang kami. Pero tutulog na rin talaga. Katuwa lang tayo, fam. May iba lang. Huwag natin masyadong sineseryoso ang mga bagay-bagay. Minsan kailangan natin ng, alam mo yun, sometimes we need to breathe. Wow. Kanta muna tayo. Paris.
You say you've been overseas, I say over when. You say just a holiday, my Alsatian there. I say I've been working late, working overtime. Haven't seen that sun since '69. Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, will anybody hear a sound? If you follow that sunset, will it ever end? Oh, does the moonlight shine on Paris? Doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo.
Thank you, fam. Thank you po.
Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo. Oh, walked away. Was it something that I said? I see only black and white. You see green and red. You believe in miracles, water into wine. I believe when it makes the New York Times. Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, would anybody hear a sound? If you follow that sunset, will it ever end? Oh, does the moonlight shine on Paris? Doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo.
Thank you, lads.
Doo-doo-dum, doo-doo-dum, doo-doo.
Uy, tigil niya na yan. Ano na tayo?
Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, would anybody hear a sound? If you follow that sunset, will it ever end? Oh, does the moonlight shine on Paris? Doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo. Will it ever end?
Thank you, fam. Cab, thank you so much. Thank you, Cab. Nalala ko na si Cab. Thank you, Cab. 9600, fam. Good night. Maraming salamat po. Oy! Pangzi, thank you so much. Shoutout yun na sis fam. Pa-approve po ako. Oy, si Queen daw. Sino ba nag-approve? Ital, thank you. Pam, thank you so much. Isa pa. Kuro Conatics. Sa orange plus sign po yun para makasali. Oo, no. Sabi ni may original version. Sorry. Ito. Thanks, thank you so much. Ate Shea, thank you.
You're the one who never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. With you here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. Ate Mali. I am all alone without you.
Ital, thank you. Thank you, fam.
My days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside.
Ninong Ben!
Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Ninong Ben, thank you so much. I'll see you all fam Tuesday sa bahay ni Kumo kapag pwede kayo. 8 p.m. ba? 8 p.m. ba? Brother, thank you.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through.
Jenny, Sunrise fam.
In my mind, I can't believe it's true. But in my heart, the reality is you.
Live Kicks, Chevy, Yen.
I am all alone without you,
Jenny. Live.
My days are dark without a glimpse of you. And now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom when morning shines, and I can see your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside.
Thank you, fam.
Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Sunrise fam, thank you.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
May, thank you. Gav, thank you. Pam, maraming salamat. Again, happy birthday sa nag-iisang Ninong Ben natin. Ninong Ben, thank you so much. Ano bang wish ko at wish naming lahat sa'yo ay good health at safety mo palagi dyan. Maraming salamat, Ninong Ben. Ikaw ay angel talaga sa akin, kay ate, sa family ko. Kaya, you deserve all the best then in the world. Yes, paulan tayo na happy birthday dyan, fam, para kay Ninong Ben. Happy birthday, Ninong Ben.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Ninong Ben. Thank you so much, Ate Malin, Maricel, Ate Shek, Brother Keith, May, Nix, Diane Abby, Idel, Queen, Eileen, Ate Lon, Hayes, Gav, Pangsley, X-Fam, The Wild Things, and the birthday boy, Ninong Ben. Thank you so much, my Earthfam. God bless you always, Ninong Ben. My Earthfam, God bless you always. Stay healthy, stay safe. Brother Nasser, welcome to the stream. Yes, we love you, Ninong Ben. Si Ninong Ben nahaligin na ng Kumu. Talagang nag-iisa yan. Maraming salamat. Ninong Ben, alam mo na yan sa lahat-lahat. Thank you so much. Happy birthday! Yes. God bless us always, fam. Nakakatuwa. Excited ako sa mga bandings pa natin darating, fam. So, ayun. Look forward natin yan. Ingat kayo. Stay safe, stay healthy. Yes, I'll see you on Tuesday sa bahay ni Kumu. Sa mga pwede po. I think 8 p.m. yata, no? Thank you, fam. Good night. Happy weekend. I love you all, fam. God bless you all. Good night, fam. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. God bless us. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Bless niyo pa po kami lahat. Thank you.